Hello, so welcome again. Today we are going to solve two problems of projection of straight line, which helps you to understand projection of straight line. So try to understand. The first question is, when true length theta and phi is given, means true length of line is 70 mm, line is inclined 45 degree to HP and 30 degree to VP. So draw the projection of straight line. First of all, we draw XY line. Then mark point A, which is A dash and A, above HP and in front of VP. Means we are doing problem in first quadrant. Now first draw theta angle, that is 45 degree angle, means inclination from HP. So this is our angle theta, that is equal to 45 degree. And we mark here the length of line, that is 70 mm. So we get point point B dash. Now we project this B dash and draw a parallel line parallel to XY from point A. This gives us point B and top view. Now this completes the projection parallel to VP and inclined to HP. Now similarly we draw next projection, that is line inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Now we draw 30 degree angle from A, and this is 30 degree angle, and this known as phi. We can write here phi is equal to 30 degree. We mark here same length, true length, that is 70 mm, and we get point B1 dash, B1. Now we project this point B1 and draw a parallel line from A dash. So it gives us point B1 dash, and now we draw locus from B dash and B1 and rotate B1 dash in upward direction, which cuts the locus from B dash, because this is front view and front view rotate upward direction. So this gives us point B2 dash. Now we join B2 dash to A dash. This is our final projection. Now same, we rotate B in downward direction, which cuts the locus from B1. This gives us point B2. Now we join B2 to A. This is our final projection. Now we join B2 dash to B2 as a projector, and this is our final front view and top view. So this is projection of line inclined to HP and inclined to V. Now another problem. We take another problem. This is just opposite of previous one. Try to understand it. This is the distance between projectors is given, that is 50 mm. One end is also given, that is 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. The other end is also given, that is 40 mm above HP and 55 mm in front of VP. Now we have to draw the projection and also find true length and inclination from HP and VP. Means in last problem, true length theta and phi is given, and in this problem true length theta and phi is to be found. So this is the difference between these two problems. Now try to understand. First of all, draw XY line. Then first we draw point A, that is 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. So this A dash A comes. Now we draw another projector at a distance 50 mm from this projector. So these are the two projectors, projector of A and projector of B. Now when projector of B already drawn, so now we directly mark point B on this projector. So our point B is 40 mm above HP and 55 mm in front of VP. This is our point B dash and B. Point B dash and B. Now we can join A dash to B dash and A to B. This completes our final projection. Now when final projection completes, now we find the true length theta and phi. Now just do the reverse condition from question number 1, as you remember. See here. Now we rotate this front view. This is front view and this is top view. So we rotate this front view downward direction. As you remember in last problem, we rotate front view in upward direction. So this is reverse problem. This is point B1 dash. Now we project B1 dash and draw locus from B. This gives us point B1. Now we join B1 to A. This is our true length and this is our angle phi, means inclination from VP. Now similarly, we rotate top view. In downward direction. This gives us point B2. Now project B2 and draw locus from B dash. This gives point B2 dash. Now join B2 dash to A dash. This is again true length and this angle is inclination from HP, that is theta. Now we can check these true lengths. The both true lengths should be same. This completes our problem.